Lost photos on your OnePlus phone? Whether it's accidental deletion, reset, or crash, don't panic. In this video, we'll show you how to recover deleted photos from OnePlus quickly and easily. Let's get started. Solution 1. Recover deleted photos in OnePlus from recently deleted folder. Open Gallery Collections Recently Deleted. Select Photos. Tap Restore. Then check your gallery. Solution 2. Retrieve deleted photos from OnePlus with Clone Phone. Navigate to your OnePlus settings, Advanced, Clone Phone. Choose Backup and Restore at the bottom left. Hit Restore Backup and choose your wanted images to get back. Tap on Restore to initiate OnePlus retrieval. Solution 3. Store deleted pictures in OnePlus with Google Photos. Open Google Photos menu or Settings Trash. Select Items. Tap Restore to recover them. Solution 4. Store deleted images from OnePlus with Google Drive. In Google Drive app, go to Trash, select Photos, tap Restore, or visit drive.google.com. Sign in, open Trash, right-click Photo, choose Restore. Solution 5. Recover deleted photos from OnePlus without backup. It's okay if you haven't backed up your OnePlus photos. No matter which situation you're facing, Icon Doctor for Android, Win and Mac can help lift the fog. Step 1. Install and open the tool. Connect OnePlus via USB and allow detection. Step 2. Select Photos, Next, to scan. Step 3. Recover deleted photos from OnePlus. After that, you'll find all the existing and deleted OnePlus photos on the program interface. Finally, just review and choose the pics you desire and tap Recover to save the items on your computer.